Today we're taking a look at the Teton Sports Extra Large Cot. This is a great cot that can support a lot of weight. I think it's up to 400 pounds. Very comfy, and if you've never slept on a cot, it's so much better than sleeping on the ground. It just makes camping a world of difference. So let's check it out. Let me open it up. So it comes with the two end pieces, which there's something very unique about how this tent, or how this cot comes together and gets put together. So the nice part is it's only three pieces. It's the main cot itself and the two end parts. So to set it up, all we do is flip this, flip it over, so, and then this part flips around. Then it pops open like that. Very simple. The ingenious part of this cot has to do with this little red thing here. So I'll show that when we get to it. So we do the side without the red thing first. We slide the tubes in, like so. And they just lock down right on there. So the problem with most tarps, not tarps, the problem with most cots is that it's very tight and very hard to get in the last hole. So Teton Sports has an ingenious way of eliminating that problem, or solving it. So we'll insert the last tube. You get the one side on first, like that. And once you come over here and take a look at this. So inside here is this little red peg. So we match this little red peg up with the red peg, the red slot on the pole, and then all you do is push down and it snaps into place. Just like that. So now it's nice, it's sturdy, and comfortable to lay on. The Teton cot runs for about 125 bucks. You can get it on sale sometimes. I think I paid 109 for it. It's a fantastic cot. I highly suggest it. It's a lot more compact than most cots that I've seen when it folds up, and it's very comfy. So thanks for watching the review on the Teton XL. Please like, subscribe if you like this video. We're going to have lots of adventure videos, lots of equipment reviews coming out. Leave us a comment down below. What's your favorite cot? Do you like this type of cot design? Do you have something you like better that we can check out? So please leave us a comment, and thanks for watching. Take care.